Number 1, check your AC. This may seem obvious, but you don't want to get caught sweating once the heat hits. A quick Freon recharge should do the trick, but sometimes you need a mechanic to take a look. Number 2 is your tire pressure. Temperature changes can affect your tires more than you think. Ideal pressure should be listed on the side of your tire, around here, on your door jamb, or in your owner's manual. Adjust the air in your tires accordingly. Number 3, clean out your car. Nobody likes getting into a messy car. But even worse, the intense heat from your car sitting out in the summer sun can melt food, plastic, and trash and really mess up your car's interior. While you're at it, number 4, wash your car's exterior. Scrub debris from birds, bugs, and pollen off your car. This doesn't only look good, it also preserves the protective layer above the paint. And finally, number 5, keep an eye on your coolant. It's critical in hot weather to avoid overheating. Top it off if you're a little low. Just make sure you're using the correct mix for your car. Bonus tip, keep your AAA membership info in your dash and save it to your phone. And if you do need car maintenance help, a AAA Car Care Center or a AAA approved auto repair facility makes it easy.